Good morning, children. How are you? Yeah, I hope you all are fine. Okay, in the last class, we discussed about two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Which are the two-dimensional shape? Yes, square, triangle, circle, rectangle. Yes, very good. These are the two-dimensional shapes. Which are the two-dimensional shapes? Triangle, circle, square and rectangle. Okay. And which are the three-dimensional shapes? Yeah, very good. Cube, cylinder, cone, yes, sphere. Okay. You already studied about that. About two-dimensional shapes and the three-dimensional shapes. Today, let's discuss about rolling and sliding. നിങ്ങൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ടു ഡയമെൻഷണൽ ഷേപ്പിനെ കുറിച്ചും ത്രീ ഡയമെൻഷണൽ ഷേപ്പിനെ കുറിച്ചും പഠിച്ചു അല്ലേ? ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നതാണ് റോളിംഗ് ആൻഡ് സ്ലൈഡിംഗ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് റോളിംഗ്? റോളിംഗ് ഈസ് വെൻ ദ തിങ് ഈസ് ടേൺ ഓവർ ആൻഡ് ഓവർ അഗെയിൻ. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, this is a one bottle. Okay, this is the bottle, isn't it? We have to keep this. How it will be go? എങ്ങനെ ഈ ബോട്ടിൽ പോവാ? Yes, it is rolling and going. അല്ലേ, ഇങ്ങനെ റോൾ ചെയ്തോണ്ടല്ലേ പോന്നേ? Okay. Yes, it's going, rolling. Okay. Then, what is sliding? Sliding means when the things go down at once. Only one time the things will go. അല്ലേ, ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം ഒറ്റൊരു തവണ പോകുന്നത്. That means the example, the duster sliding. It is in the smooth surface, flat surface. Okay, and we will keep this. Then it will go like this. Okay, that is sliding. Okay, what is the difference between rolling and sliding? What is the difference? Yes, rolling when the things turn over and over again. When the things turn over and over again. അല്ലേ, ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം മറിഞ്ഞ് വീണ്ടും മറിഞ്ഞ് പോകുന്നതിനാണ് എന്ത് പറയാ? Rolling. When the things turn over and over again, it is called rolling. And sliding is when the things go down at once. The things go down at once. Example, this is the duster. Okay, then that we heard it only one time is going. In the smooth surface, it is only going at once. ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം ഒറ്റൊരു ടൈമിലാണ് ഇതെന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഇങ്ങനെ നിരങ്ങി പോകുന്നു അല്ലേ, ഫ്ലാറ്റ് സർഫേസിൽ. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ഡു യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് the difference between rolling and sliding? Okay, and in this your textbook here one picture, the cylinder is rolling down. The cylinder is rolling and box is sliding. Rolling round ചെയ്ത് പോവാ, sliding ഊർന്ന് പോവാ, നിരപ്പിൽ സ്ലൈഡ് ആയിട്ട് പോവാ. Okay, that is the rolling and sliding. Now we have to do, all of you take one Max textbook page number 29. Encircle the object which will roll when pushed. Here 4 pictures are given. Then you have to circle the picture when we push. Which are the things roll and go? അല്ലേ, ഇവിടെ 4 പിക്ചർ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിൽ ഏത് പിക്ചറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഉന്തുമ്പോൾ റൗണ്ട് ചെയ്ത് റോൾ ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്നത്? Which is the picture? Yes, the second picture and a board. Okay, ഈ ചക്രവും this tire and board, പന്ത് ചക്രവും അല്ലേ, and pencil. Did the pencil roll and going? Okay, no. this pencil also roll and going. Then you have to circle this pencil. Then yes, this tire and this ball. These three things are roll and going. ഈ മൂന്ന് പിക്ചറുമാണ് റോൾ ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്നത്. For example, this is you hope that this is a pencil. Okay, ഇത് pencil or this is pen. ഇതൊരു പേനയാണ്. Then just we have to put it is roll and going. Okay, then this is the correct way. Pencil, tire and ball. The second one, encircle the objects which will slide when we push. ഇതിൽ ഏത് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആണ് സ്ലൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ സ്ലൈഡ് ആയിട്ട് പോകുന്നത്? Which are the objects? Yes, this is the first one, box. Then plate. Okay, this is plate. In the next page, page number 30. Yeah, I can do it now. Encircle the object which will roll as well as slide when pushed. എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ പുഷ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ റോൾ ചെയ്യുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്ലൈഡ് ചെയ്യുക രണ്ടും കൂടി ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് ഏതാണ് ഈ പിക്ചറിൽ കാണുന്നത്? ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ റോൾ ആകും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്ലൈഡ് ആകും. Encircle the objects which will roll as well as slide. നമ്മൾ റോൾ ചെയ്യും സ്ലൈഡ് ആവുന്ന പിക്ചേഴ്സ് ഏതൊക്കെയാ? യെസ്, this tin. Okay, then which is the next one? Yeah, drum. Then yeah, glass, bucket. Okay, very good. Why we are saying that these are the pictures roll as well as slide when pushed? എന്തുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നത്? Because the objects having curved face will roll and objects having flat face will slide. അല്ലേ? കേർവ്ഡ് ഫേസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് റോൾ ചെയ്ത് പോവുകയും ഫ്ലാറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്? സ്ലൈഡ് ആയി പോവുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുക. Okay, the next one, encircle the object which will neither roll nor slide when pushed. Curved അല്ല ഫ്ലാറ്റും അല്ല. Which are the pictures? Yes, banana. Yeah, cauliflower, flower, cap. അല്ലേ? ഇതൊക്കെ എന്താണ്? റോൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടുമല്ല സ്ലൈഡ് ആയിട്ടുമല്ല. They are moving different level. Okay, then you have to take page number 32, miscellaneous practice. The first one, draw a triangle inside a circle. You have to draw a triangle inside a circle. How to draw? Yes, first you have to draw a circle, then you have to draw a triangle. Okay, first you have to draw a circle, then you have to draw a triangle. Then second one, choose the correct statement. Square is inside the rectangle, or rectangle is inside the square. Here one picture is given. The first one is square, inside the square one rectangle. Then which statement is correct? Yes, B statement. Rectangle is inside the square. Then the second one you have to put a tick mark on B. And the third one, identify the object which is under the table and can roll also. Here some other things is on under the table and that thing can roll also. Which other thing is that? Box, a box, B, that cylinder shape one object, C, board, And B, pencil. Yes, C, very good. C, then you have to put a tick mark on C. Ball is rolling. Fourth one, select the correct match of the shapes that can be drawn by using the given objects. Which are the correct shapes? A, football. B, mouse, that the circle. C, box, square. Bucket, triangle. In which shape we have to draw these pictures? Yes, ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന പിക്ചേഴ്സിൽ ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഷേപ്പിൽ നമുക്ക് വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ഈ ഫുട്ബോൾ റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ പോലെ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? നോ. മൗസ് സർക്കിൾ പോലെ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? നോ. This box we have to draw like a square? Yes. Bucket triangle പോലെ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? No. Then what is the answer? C. The fourth one, so answer is C. And the fifth one, name the shape of the shaded face. Here one picture is there, and which portion is shaded? Circle, square, oval, triangle. Which part in this cube? Yeah, square part. Then B is the answer. Then you have to tick mark. Then sixth one, draw two equal squares such that one side of one square completely touches the one side of other square. What shape do you obtain? എന്താണ് നിങ്ങളോട് രണ്ട് ഒരേപോലത്തെ സ്ക്വയർ വരയ്ക്കാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. ആ ഒരേപോലത്തെ സ്ക്വയർ വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ ഒരു സ്ക്വയർ വരച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അതിന്റെ ഒന്നിന്റെ മേളിൽ കൂടെ അടുത്ത സ്ക്വയറും കൂടെ വരയ്ക്കണം. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏത് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആയിരിക്കും കിട്ടുക? Yeah, this is the one square. Again we have to touch and draw one square. What picture we get? Is like this one picture we get. Then the seventh one, write names of the given shapes. Here some shapes are given. Which are the shapes? First one, what shape is that? Yes, very good. Cylinder. What is the shape? Cylinder. What is spelling of cylinder? C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Okay. This is A. Then B. What is the shape? Yes, cone. Very good. Cone. C. What shape? It's very good. Cube. What is spelling of cube? C-U-B-E. Cube. Now we are going to do the worksheet. Spatial understanding. The first one, observe the given figure and fill in the blanks using before and after. Here one picture is given. What type of picture is this? This is a train. ഇതൊരു ട്രെയിൻ ആണ്. ട്രെയിനിന്റെ ബോഗിയിൽ നിറച്ചും ബലൂൺസ് ഉള്ളതാണ്. ഡിഫറെന്റ് കളർ ബലൂൺസ് അതെ. Okay, the first one, yellow balloon scotch is dash the blue balloon scotch. ഈ യെല്ലോ ബലൂൺ കോച്ച് ഈ ബ്ലൂ ബലൂൺ കോച്ചിന്റെ എവിടെയാണുള്ളത്? ബിഫോർ ഓർ ആഫ്റ്റർ? Yes, before. Yes, yellow balloon scotch is before the blue balloon scotch. Then green balloon scotch is dash the brown balloon scotch. Green balloon scotch brown balloon scotch ന്റെ എവിടെയാണുള്ളത്? Yes, after. The last one, red balloon scotch is dash the brown balloon scotch. Red balloon scotch is dash the brown balloon scotch. Yes, before. Before. Okay. Then shapes and solids around us. The first one, color the 2D shapes yellow and 3D shapes orange. Also name each shape. Here some shapes are given. Okay, this is the first shape. This is the another shape. Okay, another. Another. This is the another shape. Okay. Okay. Then, here, which are the two-dimensional shapes? Yes, square. Then, we have to give which color? Yes, yellow color. Yellow color you have to give to this shape. Then, what is the name of this shape? Square. What is the name of this shape? Square. Okay. Which shape is this? Yes, cylinder. Cylinder is what type of shape? 2D or 3D? Yes, 3D. 3-dimensional shape. Then you have to color it orange. Okay. Then, which shape is this? Okay, it is a rectangle. Rectangle. It is, yeah, 2-dimensional shape. What is the color you have to give? Yellow. And which shape is this? Yes, cone. It is 2D or 3-dimensional? Yeah, 3D. 3-dimensional shape. And what color you have to give? Orange. Okay, very good. Then the next one. Yes, triangle. It is a 2-dimensional shape. Which color you have to give? Yellow color you have to give. And the last one is, yes, cube. Cube. It is a 3-dimensional shape. Which color you have to give? Orange color you have to give. I hope you all understand this chapter. Now I will give you a homework for you. In your maths textbook, page number 31, here some pictures are given. Okay, you have to color these pictures. Color the circles in pink. Circle ആയിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാ പിക്ചേഴ്സിനും നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? സർക്കിൾ ഷേപ്പിന് പിങ്ക് കളർ കൊടുക്കണം. Color the rectangles in yellow, and you have to color the rectangle shape in yellow, and you have to color the square shape in red. Color the triangles in green and color the ovals in brown. Here the colors are given. According to that color you have to give color to these pictures. Okay. And thank you and have a nice day. See you next class.